Hi everybody, Cheri aka Cannabis Cheri here, and I'm here today with a review and a feature on a great little product that's very handy, and it's these. These are RYOT's self-cleaning one-hitters. Yep, you heard that right. These are self-cleaning one-hitters. Because what's the downside of a one-hitter? I mean, I love these little cigarette-sized little portable pipes that you just take a single hit or two, but they're a pain in the butt to clean. No more, not with these self-cleaning one-hitters from RYOT. So before I show you how these work though, I just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. And please do me a huge favor, if you get value out of my videos, hit that like button too because it helps us to be seen in YouTube's algorithms. Okay, these self-cleaning one-hitters are genius. I really do love them. They also make a terrific, small, little, inexpensive gift. Now, I've already preloaded them, and I'm carrying them, by the way, in some of RYOT's Keychain keepers, and I have some weed ground in this one. And I did a separate video on these handy little items as well, because they're terrific. But okay, they make these in two styles, though, the one-hitters. Actually, I think there's three. I have two of the three here. We have the spring-loaded one and also the wooden twist-type self-cleaning one-hitter. I believe RYOT also has a glass version. I don't have the glass version. So let me show you how these work. I've preloaded them, but you could load them just like you would any dugout. So I have some ground weed here, and all I had to do to load it is just kind of press it in there and load the pipe with some weed. I'm just going to light it and take a hit. Why? Because it's my job. Okay, I took a hit there, and now I want to clean this pipe. All I have to do is press the button, and it pops that bit of ash right out. Actually, I took a big hit, so I could have smoked some more, but that's how simple it is to clean that one. Just push the button. The twist one works slightly differently. I've already preloaded it, but again, you can just tap it in here like any kind of dugout to get yourself a hit. And let me show you how this version works. This is a wood one. As I said, I think they also come in glass, but I really like the styling on this wood one. And this is a patent that RYOT has on this particular pipe, and it is their twist self-cleaning one-hitter. Okay, so this one, when you want to clean, you just hold the bottom and twist, and if you can see, it just pops that bit of ash right out of there. Done. And this comes apart very easily too. If you do ever want to take it apart to clean it, it's very easy. It all comes apart and you can clean it. So very easy, very smart. I love these self-cleaning one-hitters because as much as I love one-hitters for on the go, they're always a pain in the butt to clean, but no more. These self-clean, and I love them. Both styles work very well. The twist one is a little bit more innovative and I think would probably last longer. There's less to break on it. Maybe the spring would eventually give out, and you can kind of go through it to clean, but it might be a little more difficult to clean than the twist one. But both of them work very, very well. As with all of RYOT's products, they really thought them out well. They are very high quality. So I love taking these along in my little keychain keeper with a little bit of weed, and I'm good to go. RYOT's self-cleaning one-hitters, highly recommended. And they also come included if you get RYOT's crypto pack, which is a nice little travel size pack for taking your weed on the go. I did a separate video on that too, so I'll put a link in the comments below.